안녕하세요. Hello K-friends. Hope all of you are doing very well. Sometimes when I go to Popeyes, I like to order their chicken sandwich and it's delicious. So I'm curious about what it would taste if I try to make it like a Korean style. So today I'm going to give it a try. Would you like to make it together? First, rinse the chicken thighs thoroughly under running water and remove excess moisture. Let me show you how to prepare them. Remove any excess fat from the chicken. Make some shallow cuts in the slightly thicker parts to ensure even cooking. If it's too thick, it may take longer to cook. This is pre-trimmed chicken thigh. Place the prepared chicken in a bowl. Now let's make the bulgogi marinade. Add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of cooking wine, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, a bit of grated ginger, and a bit of black pepper. Mix well. Let it marinate for about 10 to 20 minutes. Let's make a delicious gochujang sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of gochujang. Add more if you want it spicier. 1 teaspoon of honey and a bit of black pepper. Mix well. Make sure to squeeze the excess moisture from the kimchi and cut it into suitable sized pieces. If you cut it too small, it might cause it to fall apart when you eat it. So make them a moderate size. I'm using fermented kimchi. Heat a pan and add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the sliced kimchi. Add about 1 teaspoon of sugar. Adding sugar reduces the sourness and enhances the flavor. Stir fry the kimchi on medium-high heat until it loses some moisture. I've tried making it with uncooked kimchi, but it was even tastier with the stir-fried kimchi. Once the kimchi loses some moisture, transfer it to a plate and let it cool. This is the marinated chicken. Add a generous amount of cooking oil in a pan. Coat the marinated chicken with cornstarch. Shake off any excess cornstarch. Now let's cook it in a pan. Cook it in a way similar to deep frying. This is the secret to getting a crispy texture and save lots of oil. Adjust the heat to medium and cook it slowly. When the bottom side becomes somewhat golden brown, flip it over. Do you hear a crispy sound? Once the chicken is well cooked, transfer it to a plate. You can tilt the pan to drain the excess oil if you like. Now, all the ingredients are ready. Let's assemble the sandwich. This is the bread I'm using today. It looks delicious, right? Place 2 lettuce leaves on the bread. Add the crispy bulgogi chicken. Then add the stir-fried kimchi. Finally, drizzle some of the gochujang sauce on top. This is a chicken sandwich I bought at Popeyes today. It has mayonnaise, fried chicken, and 2 pickles. I'll try both sandwiches. First, I will try the crispy chicken bulgogi sandwich I made today. I will cut it in half. Wow, look at this. Let me take a bite. The taste is wonderful. This is Popeyes chicken sandwich. Let me take a bite. Oh, this is delicious too. But I think the crispy bulgogi chicken sandwich I made today is even better. How was today's recipe? I think chicken tastes even better when prepared like this. Hope you give it a try this weekend. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.